everyone, salutations. So today we are going to begin with lesson number 2, digital marketing SOPs. So this lesson has 4 SOPs, and as per reduction SOP fourth SOP they have declared as non-evaluative. That means this SOP will not be included in your examination. Okay. But these SOPs are very simple. They all are related to a same topic, search engine optimization, SEO. Okay. So to perform these SOPs of lesson number 2, you definitely need internet connectivity, and you can perform in your mobile phone, smartphone also, and also on computer. But you need internet connectivity. Okay. So lesson number 2, digital marketing, we have studied how e-commerce websites and e-commerce service websites, they need to be um, digitally marketed. Okay. To make a reach towards larger number of audience. Okay. So it has lot of things. That means you have to promote the e-commerce website with the help of email, content marketing, social media platforms, and you can enhance the uh, functioning of website. Okay, technical aspects of your website with the help of search engine optimization. So search engine optimization can be done with the help of various software. There are paid softwares also available, and there are free softwares. Now since we are just beginners, and we are learning about how to how to see the demonstration of search engine optimization. Okay, so state board has specified us 4 websites. Okay, here see in this SOP 4, all the 4 websites are mentioned, and these websites are given in the lesson also: seoptimer.com, woorank.com, Varvi, and SEOsitecheckup.com. Okay, so these are simple websites, you can freely use them. Okay, and how they look, let's see. So this is seoptimer.com. As you can see, a very simple website. Okay, here you can provide. Now see, I have tried 2 times. uh, I have tried to see optimization of Amazon.in as well as eBay.com. Okay, that's why it's showing me as choice. Okay, so you can enter any website name. Okay, and click on the audit button, and it is going to give you report in this manner. See, okay, in this manner, and it's given in the textbook also how reports are given. um, Wait, it's given in the textbook also, I have seen. Yes, see, in page number 119. Okay, so this is a sample of SEO report. So as per this example, this particular website test.com has got C plus. Okay, and this is definitely done. This report is definitely an example of whatever we are seeing in seoptimer.com. Okay, seoptimer.com. So it is very simple. You just have to provide the website name and click on audit button. It is going to analyze and give you a detailed report. Now let's see Worank.com. Now this is also a similar search engine optimization free website which can be used by beginners and students. Okay, but these free websites can be used uh, twice or thrice in a day, not more than that. Okay. Okay, so here this is also a very simple website. Here also you can just provide the URL of any website and click on try it for free. Okay, and it is going to analyze and provide you the report. Now Varvi, now when I saw Varvi, so I didn't see such kind of, okay, look and feel. So I think so it is going under some different implementation. Okay, so when I clicked on this link, it says the Varvi SEO tools are now retired until they can be redesigned and updated. So some updations are going on. So for now, we cannot use Varvi. Okay, so in main page of Varvi, we can see they have given some descriptive details how Google would work, what is the meaning of robots.txt. Okay, so all the parameters of search engine optimization they have tried to explain. And the fourth one, SEO okay, the look and feel is again same. So it is available for subscription also. You can pay and get the subscription, and you can use it freely also. So here you have to provide the URL of the website, whichever you want to optimize, and click on the button checkup. That's it. So these are the four websites suggested by State Board. Okay. So we will try with three as Varby is under some redesigning. Okay. So for now we will not try with Varby, but definitely we try with all of these three. And let's see the question. What does the question say? We'll read the question once. Okay. So this is the sample of report. It's given in the textbook. You can see it. All right. With the help of SEO tool, which is freely available, optimize the website and write down the following findings. Okay. So you have to write the answers of this question. So the answers will be available in the detailed report we will see. Okay. Ask the teacher or examiner to provide URL of the website to be optimized. All right. So in this question, it's not specified to use any specific SEO tool. We are aware with four tools. Okay. So we will try with all of them and we will see the difference. So let's try with flipkart.com. Okay. Let's try the example of flipkart.com. Okay. So this is our first SEO SEOoptimer.com, and I'm typing www.flipkart.com and clicking on the button audit. Okay, so I'll copy this text and click on our next website, WooRank. Flipkart.com. For some reason, it will get pasted. Okay, where we cannot use for now. www.flipkart.com. Okay, now let's see audit result for flipkart.com. You can see B minus. So SEO Optimer has given B minus and total number of recommendations 11, and see the date and time also they have given for the report generation. So different sections they have mentioned this result based on different sections. The first is SEO, second usability, performance, shows social marketing, I can say. Okay, social media marketing, and the last is security. So as per SEO, it's D, that means that section leads not of improvement. Okay, so what decides SEO? Okay, we will see. Usability is A plus, performance is also A plus. Okay, so best ratings are given for usability, performance, and security. Okay, but there is need of improvement when it comes to SEO and social media marketing. Okay, we will see. So this is our first section, SEO. Your SEO could be better. Your page has some level of optimization but could be improved further. Okay, so what are the further improvements? Title tag. There is no specific title tag. You have a title tag, but ideally it should be shortened to between 10 and 70 characters, including spaces. Okay, so the length of the title tag is 108. So they have suggested to reduce the length of title text inside the title tag. Now this is website. Okay, Flipkart is a website, so it is definitely going to have HTML coding. Okay, so we know in HTML coding we use title tag, and in type between the title tag opening and closing we provide text. Okay, so it's talking about that. So online shopping site for mobile, electronics, furniture, groceries. Okay, all these important keywords they have given, but it needs some reduction. Okay, they have specified meta tag description. Your page has a meta description tag. However, your meta description should be ideally between, okay, 70 to 320 characters. Okay, that means their meta description is very long, 333 characters. They have to reduce between 70 to 320 characters. Okay, so how nicely they have mentioned in the report how they have to modify their contents in the website. Okay, here the length of the title text in the title tag is 108, and the ideal length is between 10 to 70 characters. Okay, body content. So header tags, how many header tags are used? So they have given a green tick. That means header tags are used nicely. H1 to H6. So mostly they have used H1 to H3. Most they have used H2 17 times. H1 they have used once and H3 twice. Okay. Keyword consistency. Keyword consistency they have shown cross, which is very important when we talk about digital marketing. Keyword. Okay. So what are the keywords they have used? We will see Flipkart, from, all, now. Okay, all these things they have used, and they now see Flipkart is not mentioned in the title tag, not given the mention in the meta description. It's mentioned in headings. That means here it's also it should be mentioned mentioned Flipkart. Okay, in title tag and in meta description also. Okay. Yes. Now phrases. Phrases means multiple words. Okay. mAh battery now, all these things. Okay, so they need improvement regarding all these phrases. Amount of content. Okay, word count they have given, that is fine. And image, img tag must have alt attribute. So they have specified you have images on your web page that are missing alt attribute. We found 51 images on your page and 7 of them are missing the alt attribute. Okay, so alt attribute needs to be provided, and what should be the value inside the alt attribute? The keyword related to the image. Okay, so that whenever any user searches, now when we search anything, for example, let's take an example. Let's take a live example. Okay, for example, I am searching for laptops. Okay, let's see the search result. Okay, now see, you can see the images over here. These images have appeared because in the e-commerce website, along with the img tag, they have given the alt attribute, and maybe in alt attribute they have mentioned laptop. Okay, so whenever I have typed laptop, it's showing me the images. Okay, so here instead of reading all these things, users generally look at this. Okay, and these are sponsored. That means they have paid the Google search engine. These are sponsored ads. Sponsored keywords and ad keyword, they are generally paid advertisements. Okay, but these images have appeared. Now there are many images. Okay, now see. That means all these websites, Reliance Digital, Amazon, HP Store India, again Amazon, okay, Dell India, Chroma, all these websites, they have mentioned alt attribute. Okay, and alt attribute, they have mentioned laptops as keyword. Okay, that is why these images have appeared. So I can see there is a wide variety. I can see, choose, directly click on the website, and if interested, I can purchase. So this is the advantage of using alt attribute with img tag. Okay, that's why in the report it says we have found, and actually in this search result we don't see anywhere Flipkart, right? In most popular ones we did not see Flipkart. Pay attention. No, Amazon, Reliance Digital, these are okay. Maximum suggestions are from Reliance Digital, Amazon. One suggestion was from Chroma, Dell India. Uh, what else? HP Store India. Okay, so we did not see Flipkart, and we are testing of we are testing search engine optimization of Flipkart. Okay, so that is a disadvantage of not using alt attribute. It did not appear in the search result. Okay. Okay. So in SEO, what things are tested? What things are inspected? So we can say title tag, meta description, header tags, okay, keyword consistency, phrase consistency, and amount of content as well as IMG tag if they have alt attribute or not. Okay, links are also tested. Okay, so they have used links appropriately and friendly URLs are not done properly, so that needs improvement. Indexing is also done nicely. Analytics, so the site Flipkart does not have inbuilt analytics. Okay. That's why it is showing cross. That's not a problem. Websites may not have A plus. Usability is A plus. That means the website is nicely loaded on any type of screen, a smartphone screen, tablet screen, or any other mobile device screen. Okay, and all these things you can see green tick. That means definitely A plus rating. It has what that means. All these criteria are nicely satisfied. Performance A plus. That means the page speed info, page size info. All these are very nicely developed. Okay, very nicely considered while developing the website. Okay, so performance, it loads very fast. Yeah. Number of resources, see all the things they have mentioned in detail. Social result they have given B grade. Why B grade? Okay, because there must the Flipkart, they must have social media page on giant social media platforms. Okay, so Facebook connected, yes. So Flipkart has a Facebook page, okay, which is nicely maintained. Facebook pixel, they have said cross. Facebook pixel is a piece of analytics code that allows you to track user retarget them with Facebook ads in future. Okay, so that thing may be not there. Twitter connectivity, yes, they are active on Twitter. Instagram not connected, so maybe they have not attempted to create any social media page or Instagram. Okay, so they have shown crossover there. YouTube connected, yes. Okay, so how many followers, how many subscribers they have mentioned. LinkedIn connected, no. Okay, so if they do the same kind of social media marketing the way they have done on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, same way if they do for Instagram, um, then LinkedIn, okay, so they will get more audience, okay, and they can improve their social results also. Security A plus, that means all the security requirements they have got good grades from Google Safe Browsing, McAfee, Norton, AVG, email privacy, all these features are there. So this is actually a good website, but only thing lagging is the technical aspects of SEO and some one or two. We saw two giant social media platforms. They have not done any publicity. So if they do it, that will be nice. Okay, because they can get audience from there also. So these modifications can be they can do modifications in the website, and there is scope of improvement in social media marketing. Okay. Now, recommendations. Now, these are the recommendations which can be followed by Flipkart.com to improve their website. So, on high priority basis, nothing. The website is good. Okay. Security wise, it's good. Usability and performance wise, it's great. It has got A plus grade, that, and security also A grade. That means definitely the website is very reliable. So there is no improvement on high priority basis, on an urgent basis. All these improvements are low priority basis. That means they can be done, okay, depending upon the convenience. So title tag modification, meta tag modification, all these things they have to upgrade. Alt attribute, we have to add alt attribute in images. We saw the disadvantage, okay, it did not appear. And moreover, in the first row. In the first row, all the sponsored ad. That means they are paid ad. Okay. So definitely Amazon, sorry, Flipkart has to pay to Google, okay, to provide their ad. And not necessary, we never see any Flipkart advertisement. We see Flipkart advertisements also. Now, if I type some different thing, a Flipkart ad may also appear in the first row, okay, but I don't think so. They have uh, paid any paid for any ad, or there is the shortcoming of alt attribute which is missing in the img tag, because of which it Flipkart is not available in the suggestions for first row. Okay, let's try for any other product. Let's try for let's say dictionary. No. Smartphone, let's see smartphone. Okay, advertisement, we can see Amazon, Reliance Digital, and Amazon once again. Amazon, Flipkart is in the third place. Okay, so they have to do a lot of improvement regarding images. Whatever images they are putting in Flipkart.com, they have a lot of images are missing alt attribute, and because of which they are not shown in the. Definitely, they won't be shown in the first row, but at least they should appear in second row or somewhere else. It's not shown. Okay, so there is a scope of improvement over there. Hmm? Then use of main keywords, yes, keywords, analytics tool, setup and installation of Facebook pixel, remove inline styles, okay. Mm. So all these things they can do for improvement, okay. So this is the report, and you can download the report as well. Where is that download link? See here, download as a PDF, but you need to sign up for this. Now I don't think so for a single practical you have to create an account, okay. So just do this practical and answer the questions, and for examination also, uh, I don't think so an account creation is necessary. Whichever questions are asked like this, okay, you have to write in your answer paper, okay. So for now, just as per the questions, you have to see the report and answer the question, that's it. So now let's see the report of WooRank. Okay, so WooRank has given 82. They have given a score of 82, and past to improve and errors. Okay, these are very less. And what else they have mentioned? Same thing, title tag. Okay, title tag, they must do improvement, meta description, headings they have given green tick. Here they have given C, alert. That means these sections need improvement. Okay, content analysis. Okay, so these are the keywords. Okay, alt attribute is missing. That means see they have shown in red. That means that is a very this improvement has to be done on an urgent basis. In page links, language. Okay, the rest all are shown green tick. Okay, serious improvement is also needed for sitemaps validity. Mm, okay, take your SEO to next level. Try our pro plan. Okay, so it is asking for subscription payment. Mm, mobile friendliness, tap target. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so that means see how the improvement has to be done. They must have in the table below find the tap targets that are too small. Okay, so they have also highlighted which coding needs which part of the coding needs improvement. Very nice. WooRank website is also very good. Plugins, okay. Now all these things they have mentioned. Schema, open graph. Okay, so WooRank.com, I can see a lot of things they have mentioned regarding coding, micro formats. Hmm, fine. Now let's have a look at SEO sitecheckup.com, here it has given 81 out of 100. It's a good score. Okay, so green suggests past checks, red failed checks, and orange for warnings. It will be same. You can just predict, okay, what will be the improvements. So here it says the meta title of your page has length of 104 characters. Most of the search engines will truncate meta titles to 70 characters, so they must reduce the characters in meta tag. Okay, keyword usage test. Congratulations, you are using keywords in your meta tags, which will help search engines to properly identify the topic of your page. Okay, so this website, SEO Site Checkup, they are actually showing something different, which SEO Optimer has shown as an improvement. They are praising here for their keywords, and there in SEO Optimer they said they need some improvement, some consistency issue was there. Okay. Okay. Now here heading tags. Okay, so here they have shown a warning. They must use heading tags effectively. Okay, now SEO friendly URL test. Yes, yes, that was highlighted in wa- uh, SEO Optimer as well as WooRank. Okay, regarding SEO friendly URL test, and they shows how to fix. So let's click here, and what does it say? In order to, okay, so they have given a video tutorial. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, very nice. Now inline and how to fix that, definitely they will have a YouTube tutorial for that. Good. That means along with whatever they detect, and here it shows very nicely. See, size and how much saving is going on. Okay, nice detailing they have given in SEO site checkup. Okay, now here's some different parameters they have checked. Page object test, page cache test, which were not, I have not seen these parameters in earlier websites like SEO Optimer and WooRank. But here these parameters are shown, and they all have also said they are not proper, so how to improve them. Nice. That was advertisement. See here, an advertisement. This is known as display ad. Okay. Great. These websites are really helpful to improve your e-commerce website or any other kind of website. Okay. Oh. Now let's see these questions and try to answer. Name the website you are optimizing. So for now, I have typed this question, lesson name, number and name, question, and each question in word editor. Okay, so you have to write in your journal for now. Okay, so write the lesson, name of the lesson, question, and write the question answers in this manner. Now I'm typing, you just observe, and in similar way you can write in your journal or as your teacher suggests. Follow your teacher. Name of the website you are optimizing. So we optimized http colon to forward slash www.flipkart.com. Okay, and let's give a space. Whether the site has title tag. Okay, so we saw 2 3 website comparison. Let's go with our first website. So what did it say? And I'll click on, see here, you can see the tabs, and you can click on any tab and see the report of that particular section. So they said you have a title tag, but it is ideally it should be shortened. Okay, so We will write in this manner. Can we copy paste? We can definitely copy paste, but you cannot copy paste in your journal, so you have to write. Okay. Calibre, black color. Right, all right. But you have to write in an exam also you have to write in your answer paper. Whether the site has header tag. What was there regarding header tag? Your page has good has your page is making good use of header tags. So I'll just copy this and how many times they used H1, H2 and H3 that we will mention H1 once, H2 17 times and H3 twice. Okay. Okay, just blindly copying will not be enough is not enough whether the site has title tag. Okay. You have who has. We have to write the website has a title tag. Okay, so here I will specify H1 tag. Now since H1 is a tag, I'll mention inside angular brackets. H1 tag is used how many times did we see? Once. Once H2 tag is used 17 times and H3 tag is used 2 times. Now I'll just increase the font size. Black font, Calibre. Alright, done. Whether the images used has alt attribute? No. What did we see regarding alt attribute? You have images. Okay, let's copy this content and we will modify. Not you. We have to write flipkart.com or simply the website images or simply the images on your page on Flipkart page are missing alt attributes. We found, so instead of we found, we will write there are 51 images, 51 images, and seven of them are missing the attribute. Okay, out of 51, there are only 7 images which do not have alt attribute. That means Flipkart they have not paid. They have not paid for any advertisement. Okay, so the front row and this particular side, right hand side, whatever ads we see on the front row and right hand side, they are the paid ads, and that is why they appear on the front row. Okay, then 1 to 5, then next 5. Okay, second to 5 are the websites which are popular, which has many views, organic views. Okay, so maybe Flipkart has a lot of organic views, and that is why it doesn't spend much on advertising. Maybe. Calibri. Calibri. So let's just change the color of the text and it's done. What is the comment about usability? Usability was best. Usability. Let's click on usability. Your usability. Your page is highly usable across the device. Okay. We will copy this text and modify. Your page. Instead of your page, we will write Flipkart. Flipkart.com is highly usable. Usability. Okay, okay. So the practical is done. See how simple it is. So in this way, you can perform all the practicals, all the SOPs. Where are the questions? Okay. See, just read the question, use the website, and click. Sorry, type any URL, click on the button. The report is ready. Go through the question. As per the question, take the answers from the report. Okay. So I hope so. SEO tools are clear to you. These are the 4 SEO tools we can use. These are free, but you can use twice or thrice in a day. That's it. Okay. We saw the comparison of we could not see where we because it's under development. Okay. Redesigning. So we saw about SEO Optimer, that was WooRank, and SEO Site Checkup. Okay. All of them are great. All of them are great. Okay. I being free websites, they are providing so much of information. Now let's see if I can download this PDF. It's SEO Site Checkup. I don't think so. What about WooRank? Did they give any PDF? Download PDF. Okay, the button is there. Choose a plan. Okay, okay, okay. Account creation is needed. And oh, SEO Site Checkup gives a PDF download. See, the PDF has downloaded. Very nice. Attempt to open and see. What is this? This is advertisement, display advertisement. Wow, this website is great. SEO Site Checkup. Okay, so I hope so the practical is clear to you. Hmm? Out of all this website, SEO sorry, this was SEO Site Checkup. Remember, SEOsitecheckup.com gives free PDF download. Others like SEO Optimer and WooRank, Warby we couldn't see, and SEO Optimer and WooRank, they need account creation to download a PDF, but that's not the case in SEO Site Checkup. Okay. Yes, I was telling about display ad. This is the display ad which you see everywhere in any kind of website. Okay. So this is digital marketing. Hmm. Okay, so I hope so this topic is clear to you. Thank you for joining. And yes, I will definitely upload sorry, videos for other SOPs also. Okay. But this SOP was very, matlab, I mean, this video tutorial was very lengthy because we did comparison of all these four SEO audit tools. Okay. Other videos will be shorter. It will be more direct to the point. Okay. Thank you. Everybody, thank you for subscription. I really thank from the bottom of my heart to you all are appreciating my work in the form of subscription, likes, views. Okay, I feel really great. Thank you for appreciating my work. Okay, please subscribe and share with anyone who needs. Thank you, everyone. Take care.